Hello guys, so today I will show you BottomSheet widget. So how to make use it, see the output. So first of all, create a new dart file, name is a BottomSheet widget. Okay, import material, then create stateless class, name is the same of the dart class BottomSheet widget. Return is use scaffold in the app bar text bottom set style is text style color white, background color is blue, and center title is true, and then run it. Sorry, my mistake. Bottom set, and then import this and run it. Wait some time and output will be displayed. You can see. Next is a body part. In the body I will use the center widget. In the center widget child you can use any button. I will use a elevated button. The text is a BottomSheet in onPress method. First button style. In the button style background color is a blue. Material color or property you can control and enter, so suggestion list will be displayed. Foreground is a white color, then run it. And in the onPress method I'll use show modal BottomSheet, and then return a size box, height is a 200, and in the child I will use list view. In the children list style leading is icon is a map, title is a map, text maps, and on tap method will be blank, so user will clickable. You can see the output. I will use a padding value is 8, and then okay, so copy this and paste. Second is a navigation, icon will change, name is a navigation, and then third is a compass, text in compass, and icon compass. You can see the output will be displayed. So thank you for watching this video.